go. Cutting your own hair is like one of the toughest things you can do. I think every barber, every student, you guys should definitely start off with cutting your own hair first, okay? Just this. Cut your own hair, feel your clippers out, you know, your liners, everything, see how they feel, if they're pulling somebody, if they're, you know, a little too close. You really get to experience that, you know, and you get to see how heavy-handed you are. So, back to the cut. Taparoo. You guys know where that's from? I'm gonna feel so old. Fabulous rose gold. Way. I want to keep that hair. Alright, I better stop before I just keep on going higher and higher. See how this goes. See where we're at on this. Actually not looking that bad. Probably want to hit the back up a little more though. raising myself up, and whatever's not perfect, it's fine. I don't care anymore. I don't care at this point anymore. I just one, take a shower. The French crop top, at least I think. With the little French beard. Is that French? I don't know. I'm gonna call it French. There we go. Like a little gray in there. I'm not gonna cut it out though. It shows that I have been around. Alrighty. Can't wait for this quarantine to be over with because I do not want to do this again for a long time. I'm not doing this again. This is too much work. And then I still got to clean. Look at that. Look at that mess. Alright, see you guys next time.